So look at me eye no? Yeah. Looking at me eye.
You're not the only one, cause I'm a lonely man. My love for you is strong, could never do you wrong. Together we belong, you are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, one in a million.
Dreaming of you every night, every time I close my eyes. I'm dreaming of you in my life, feeling for you all the time. I'm dreaming of you every night, every time I close my eyes. I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
you.
Hey!
What's up, guys? It's a girl Abby here, and as you can see by the title, oh god, my wig. Alright guys, sorry about the ugly face just now, and sorry for my room. Okay guys, so we're supposed to do a challenge right now, and guys, Capo always watching football on his phone. Either I play football on the TV. So what I'm gonna do is I saw this prank on Gold Juice channel where she talk about how she want to be single and something like that, yes. So guys, I'm just gonna tell Capo that I miss being single. I'm tired of him spending less time with me and everything, and I'm always on the game, and I'll let them nice up with it. Alright guys, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment Team Abby down below, because as I said before guys, the girl is coming back with the pranks. I'm going to show you Capo around in the living room playing football as usual. I'm going to show you. Capo,
Yo.
you know I don't play the game. I want to do the prank in the room because I think like in the room would be best and everything. So guys, just stay tuned and come with me. Every time I come here and I say come and talk about the half time it's so done. You know what I've challenged to do, right? And the rain so start. So what I'm gonna do now is to set up the camera. I'm going to call him now.
What?
Lock the door.
What?
Just that door. What talk to you about something? I know my sister here.
Yeah, talk about. Up there.
Lock the door.
Okay then.
Sit on my bed.
Sit down. Alright. Step in here. Hush. Yeah, go shield me.
Well, every time we're supposed to do challenge, I always look on the phone. And if you're not on the phone, you look on the TV. I have to debug every minute. You know, so I always the challenge by Saturday. I'm telling you, so when, after we do the challenge, I can play football. So I always want to play football and stay on it. And you know, my cousin them come up here on Saturday.
Never stay on it.
Capo, you did the fam? Most of all, they have 7 o'clock in the morning.
You're wicked.
I know what's more after 9.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. Go on.
Capo, I'm more than an hour from 7 o'clock this morning. Can you wake up after 6?
So?
And I told you that, you took out the clothes them for the challenge. And look there. You have to start clothes them, show them all about. If you're not going to use the clothes them, put them in the jar. Can you have a jar for yourself?
Alright, do.
I don't know if some feel like some just want to be single, because if I'm single, no boy will come at the yard, I'm going to have so much problem.
So me have problem there?
Every minute I have to clean up after you.
What?
Every minute I have to clean up after you.
What do you mean?
Every minute I take up your clothes them. When time I not take up your clothes them, I take your shoes them out of the way.
Out of which way?
And not only that, I tell you for hours, leave your shoes outside because you take cheese food.
My girl, hear me
I'm
say.
sick and
Alright,
tired.
let's stop right there, so. Number 1, them shoes are in here, so dove smells them.
I'm not about them and
Number 2, shoes them outside. You have 2 shoes out of the door, that's already out there. You don't know what the problem. Calm down. What you want me to say with you?
Yeah, but
Come to you.
it irritates me. If I'm single,
But you know what,
I would
I'm
have
not
to show them something. I'm very serious. It irritates me now.
So I was saying you just start thinking about them phone and
Yeah, it irritates me.
yeah, I have a thing this. Just easy to.
Go and get in what if you can share the
I
other
want to. You just wake up with that bed. They want wait expect.
Yeah, but wake up on that bed, we'll clean all faster, we'll do challenge faster. After everything, you can get one to bad.
Have a nice day, man. Be prepared to chat right now. Have a nice day.
I'm going outside to open the gate for my sister friend.
You see that Humpty man? I think he already went to Ulu the time for the challenge. Where's it? Where are we going again? Challenge outside. Where you going to start it now?
I just can't manage this.
But wait there, you want to what?
Single. I'm tired and not even going to say I changed nothing.
You tell that?
Every minute I talk to you about the same thing.
No, that's fine, you know.
Capo, we don't understand what it is. We say when we get up, we clean the place, do a challenge, then after that you have the whole entire game for play. But now you want to get up and play and wait.
One actually
See, I'll make people come there, or we are going to challenge.
Yeah, still do it.
And I made the challenge, we don't want to put the style for watching.
So you're not about to sign it?
There's some sick and tired of this. I'm not even in a relationship again. So I just want to be single and go.
But if you put out things, you just think boy and talk, so yeah?
Mommy, go myself.
Listen to me and say.
I let you make me feel. I don't feel like
Listen to
someone
me and
is
say
in
no.
a negative or helpful situation.
You're talking now, listen. Before you mention things to somebody, before you tell them things to people, you sit down. I don't want to make a quick judgment and talk about what you want to be saying to people here. You sit down and you go through it slowly. Here, you don't just jump out and talk about what you want to be saying, you want to be saying like that. And that's how things work. You understand me? I understand it work. You know, there's somebody that needs to switch up because you know I'm bad mood. Obviously, you know I'm bad mood. They want to come talk about what you want to be saying. I'm not tired of you know, I'm not tired of nobody people's opinion, you know. But I want to tell them this. Don't them thing there. You get me, I said?
But you're staying to talk to you about the same thing.
You understand me, I said, do?
No business where you're at the moment.
Oh, alright then. You're good then, man. I'm trying to tell you something you feel.
Every minute I get up, every Saturday I get up, I feel talk to you about the same thing. Make we do supposed to just first day and play football after. I talk to you about the clothes them, or all about. I talk to you about the shoes them, we're supposed to get outside. More work that you are giving me.
I want pair of shoes in the house.
Capo, your stinking shoes the way you always bring in the room and stink up the room.
When
Cheese
last?
up the room.
When last? Eh?
All up to last week, you know, stinking shoes there.
Like me, man. You're from the church. Yeah, they came back right now, girl. I'm going to do after, please.
I don't know.
You're a busy
Just
man.
call it a quit. I just feel like I just want to be single and know. Like this is where the whole YouTube I work, you I work, everything I work. I don't want to stress me out.
Me at work.
Yeah, I work. I have to clean up after you like you pick me. Yeah, like that.
Can be from the church.
What foolishness.
Yeah, we can't buy that argument right now. Right now, I just feel now good for another argument. We can't buy that again.
Put on my
But the
umbrella.
people in the chat now, you know that it's easy to
Oh,
talk.
what foolishness.
Yeah, we can't tell them stress in my head.
Yeah, but you stress me.
But I know me,
You stress me
I
to the point where I feel like someone have been single.
don't want to do, you know. You don't need my approval there.
Alright then.
I want to go from the shop. One little problem I want to go. I want to be single. I want to be single. Everything you jump up on. Like I eat that. I want to be single. I want to be single.
That's about that.
You think I should chat this time. I have to lie over here. It's not a dream. It's a real life. You don't get up on the tip. Act like I eat that. You think you're perfect? You perfect?
Yeah, but even if I'm not perfect, I still put my
You're not
relationship
close to perfect,
first.
don't it? So wow, you're probably
At the end of the day, I still put my relationship first.
so,
But you put a game first.
oh man.
Because I can't believe someone mentioned to you.
7 days a week and 1 day a week we go play.
Exactly.
1 hour game.
Get up playing a 1 hour game.
2 hour
I always
game.
say, I could do a challenge them first, and then you get the whole entire day for play a game. What are the other things? More than just Capo. But when you want to play a game first, and somebody the time, and then you know some people always come over yard.
No problem.
The second time I just feel like someone be single and done.
Yeah, show them for the
I saw you having film. You just went to like some more this week. And you're not cooperating in a relationship. So what is sense?
I was going to do right now.
Alright then. No business.
No, look at my face and tell me that. I'm not foolish right now. Hello. Answer my question. No, laugh at it,
I'm not laughing at you.
so look at me again, no? Looking at me eye. From here, baby.
I do my laugh at you. Come on, serious. I'm very serious.
Tell me.
Tell you what?
Tell me forgot me eye.
Why more Capo?
Alright, get the verb. Come back it.
I'm not busy boy about.
You're not going to joke with me. I think you can't go play me. You know what's the idea? I'm never to forget your yard.
Capo, I tell you forgot my hand.
Who they forgot your yard? You left the wallet. I'm not going to challenge you today.
Capo, you know make sense to do a challenge today?
Whatever. Obviously I get mad. You get freaking mad, so you know what? When they get back your fence, you're gonna go on, yo. Everything I care about my hand. What
No business, I am one them. Not affect me.
fuck you chatting now. So you're not mad at it?
No, Capo, nothing more hard with you. I'm just done. Sit and tell them.
What the fuck by doing? A long time long I'm here, so I'm telling you, fuck it. Basically, you want me single?
Yeah.
You want me single, right?
Yeah.
Long time, you want me single. Come closer now. You want me single too. You want to walk to a normal behavior. Before you make me really stay, let them close them. Let them close them up. Thank you. You still want me single, right? I feel the same way. But tired of your foolishness too. You still not like how much you treat the house, you don't like how you treat everything. You never did. You just think you're perfect and everything alright to you. Tired of your foolishness. We cannot set over now. We're just done. You have like 10 men problem and everything. Everything I careful. Careful this, careful that. One time, I left me alone. No, I'll probably be careful with your head. It don't make sense.
Go ahead, I just start down prank.
Have you find out you're prank. You find out you're prank you do, man. That's why. You know never mean that. I don't know if you see that material them prank you can't do them prank because you understand? Them prank you not to do. Cause I see the camera, I'm just trying to change it for you. Simple as that. And now you look for you're like crying them somebody.
You mean
I don't mean them say. It's a prank. And I hear a prank, I just change it up on you. Cause you know the camera good, as usual. Eh? You can eye camera. I'll be take the clothes to the trash so the camera up, look. You see? I don't mean that, man. Calm down. Easy now, man, Abby. Abby, how you feeling? You alright, Abby? You good? AC going want to know if everything is alright after that prank because obviously you crashed Abby. You crashed and you burn. Eh? Your own prank and Capo beat you at it. It was a good try though. I'm not lie. So guys, comment Team Capo down below. If you're Team Abby, no problem. Comment Team Abby as well. I know you took the L a while ago. Subscribe if you're new to our channel. And yeah, watch our other videos. And welcome to the gang.
Capo, put I'm supposed to do my outro because I'm my prank.
Abby, it really, alright, after all that, you can't do the outro?
After all what?
After you lose. basically, you know, I beat your own game. I love can. Hey guys, Team Capo down below. Comment. AC Gang, of course. Both of us are AC Gang, but Team Capo guys. Peace out. Are you still gonna take the camera? Alright, whatever. Oh! Oh, and before you go, guys, we have a new channel, a comedy channel, so please subscribe
a
to our
comedy channel named Abby and Capo.
Comedy TV.
Comedy TV. So the link will be in the description, guys. So we don't post any videos yet, but we will be posting soon.
So make sure you check out our channel.